questions later because you guys were just whining. Number 2, key numbers, right? Yep. And test intervals. Key numbers and test intervals. Number 12, ew, gross, they got a common denominator. Oh, hey, that's what I told you to do. Multiply top and bottom by x minus 1, top and bottom by x plus 2, you end up with... And to find the zeros on top, it's 4 and negative 1. And to find the zeros on bottom, it's negative 2 and 1. So key numbers. Negative 2, negative 1, 1, and 4. But the key was getting a common denominator, yeah? Number next one. Number 30. Factor. Set each factor equal to 0. You get 0, 3. If you plug in, which they didn't show the rest of the signs, right? They're just trying to show the answer. But if you plugged in before 0, doesn't work. Between 0 and 3, doesn't work. The only one that works is the last one, 3 to infinity. The only one that works is 3 to infinity. We got it? Yes. Why was it open? Could it or equal to? Okay, number next one. 46. Now, could you have cheated and cross-multiplied and found some of the key numbers? Yes. You would have gotten negative 14. Where does the negative 2 and the 6 come from? The denominators. So you could have cheated, cross-multiplied, simplified. You would have gotten negative 14, but you also would have needed to put negative 2 and 6. The safe way, subtract this one to the other side. Wait. That's a huge jump. What would you have had to do? They're not showing all their work. They just like to do huge jumps because they're smart like that. And I understand it, but maybe you don't. So, minus 3 over x plus 2 greater than 0. I mean, that's good, but can you put those together yet? No. What would you have to do? So he would have to multiply by him top bottom 5 times, 5 times x plus 2, and then he will be times x plus 2. This one, 3 times x minus 6 over this times x minus 6. You get a common denominator, but you have these extra pieces up top you would have to simplify. That one equal to 0 is the negative 14, and then you have those two equal to 0, negative 2 and 6. And you can see they're testing. Now, did I make you write it like this? Isn't this nasty? I don't know. I don't like it. You could have done it that way. Let's just do a quick review. I would have had you put these numbers in a number line, right? There's your negative 14, there's your negative 2, and there's your 6. Okay, it's not evenly spaced, whatever. Then I would have had you do what? Pick numbers and ask yourselves true or false, right? Did you not do any crazy math mistakes at home last night? You were careful, step by step? What happened? I don't know, but they're all laughing. Okay. It's okay. Okay. Negative 15. Negative 3. 0. How about 10? Right? And then you would have had to plug in. Plug in where? Well, we could have plugged into this nice factor form. It's kind of nice. Plugging in negative 15, that'd be negative 30 plus 28. That's a negative number. On bottom, we have a negative number, another negative number, 3 negatives. Oh, that's a negative, and it's supposed to be a positive. That's why keys. Did key work? That one was out. But at the end of the day, after all of their work, what should you have gotten? They said that this one worked, which means this was true. They said that this one worked, which means this was true, and this should have been false. And so your final answers are, why not or equal to? Got it? Ish? Kind of? You crazies. I swear you usually participate. I know. Number 66. Oh, he's easy. Look, guys, just factor. And then you get a 0 and a plus or minus 3. Ta-da! Plug, 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 and your final answers are, wait a minute, why is there a bracket? Where did 0 come from? Who is he? From the top or the bottom? Top. Top is the zeros. Wait, oh, he's allowed to be 0. Get that. Why wasn't there a bracket by the 3 then? Where did the 3 come from? Uh-oh, and the bottom, aren't those undefined points? So we're allowed to have the one that's a 0, but we're not allowed to have the one that's an undefined point. That is undefined. Karina.
So the bottom, he would never put a bracket for?
Because he's not allowed to be. Yeah. Good question. We had one more, right? Oh, no, he's it? We're done?
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness. All right, any odds that you guys were too embarrassed to ask your groups, or your groups were just being too complainy to actually even get anything done? Yeah. 57A? Oh, okay. Anybody else? Didn't I hear 41? Or...
Yeah, I said
41. Anything else? Volunteers for participation points.
Let's go to work.
Yes. Which one do you want, Sean?
May I please, oh, wait, thanks. I'll take either one, surprise me.
Okay, who wants another one?
I'll double up. Okay, I'll double up if you double down.
I will, as long as no one else wants it. Is that maybe? Alfreda, maybe? Which one do you want? All right, so then Sean needs 41. Go! Markers are found in the period 3 box, which is right. There he is. Go. You guys grab a spot at the front board. I'm marking down their points. The rest of you guys, have you written down your test review yet? I'll put it in the board. Ooh.
Is that what we're doing last year?
Kind of. Oh, look, he's not too bad. Turn your spiral, new section, new side. Sorry. New assignment. Remember, test review does not have a homework number, first of all. Second of all, still put the assignment and say Chapter 2 review. Third of all, do you have to write directions or problems on reviews? Woo, that's a good thing. Celeste is gone, that's it, right?
For me, is a test review due Monday?
Trying behind.
Sean,
Lucas, should I come to school? Should I come to school?
Yeah.
Yeah, how does you want Tuesday and Monday?
It's interesting.
you guys can
But
hang out.
I can be alone too. Yeah, only baby.
So Sean,